we just finished making our characters. Hi everyone, how's it going?
Talk about it.
What do you mean? I mean, it was pretty in-depth, honestly. It was more than I expected, and there was a lot of reading involved, but a really cool experience, and I'd do it again, 100%. Yay! And we had brownies!
Hey, it's Gray, the Game Master for Between Two Turns, The Secret Stacks. Today I'll be giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the characters from our story. Right now, we're in our 2-hour character creation session where we use D&D Beyond to create character sheets. But you don't want to hear me explain the complex narrative, so why don't we just hear from our players? Take it away, guys.
Hey y'all, I'm Maddie. I play Selah Jane. Selah is from a small town. She's like your stereotypical church girl. The definition of a goody two-shoes. She's a sweetheart, but very much like a teacher's pet, which gets old. And also, she's good at like connecting with authority figures because it's like, oh my gosh, all I have to do is just do my work on time. Her peers, not so much. She's very scared of getting in trouble, which gets in the way of doing the right thing, but hopefully some personal growth for her.
Hi everyone, I'm Libby and I'm going to be playing Orla. My character is very introverted but also intuitive and kind of shy but likes to think through problems and discuss thoughts and feelings with other people, and I think that Orla might surprise viewers or she might not. She's hit or miss, so we'll see what she does.
Thanks, Maddie and Libby. We'll hear from the rest of our group in just a second. After we created characters, I got to work getting 3D print certified, for free of course, with the Edmon Low Creative Studios training. I had to model a keychain, then head to the 3D printer room to start my certification. After learning all about softwares and how to start a print on my own, it was time to put the pedal to the metal, and by that I mean actually print out my keychain. And then it was actually time to put the pedal to the metal by picking out miniature models that represented our characters, scaling them to size of our map, and scheduling a time for me to start the prints. For these 5 miniatures, it took around 2 hours to print. After they printed, I had to remove the supports, so let's throw it back to past me to give us some insight of what it was like to sit there and pick at supports for hours.
Well, 4 out of 5. Not bad. Not bad at all.
4 out of 5, did you give a break?
No, I broke almost all of them.
After the supports were removed, it was time to paint. Not much to say about painting, so let's hear from our remaining 2 players.
Hey guys, my name's Ashton and I play Keeley. She is a cutie little indie girl. She has slay taste in music, and if you don't pass her music test, she won't be your friend. You're cut off. You're not good enough. You just gotta get to know her first.
My name's Kendall, and I'm going to be playing the character Eco, who is a ranger, and he is also a human. He is a really chill, laid-back guy that really doesn't do much, honestly. He gets along with people well, he has strength, and he just is more confident in himself, so that's who I am.
Thanks, guys. If you want to see our lovely players in action, be sure to check out Between Two Turns, The Secret Stacks. Obviously, all of this wouldn't be complete without a reveal, so let's see just how much they loved these minis.
First, I'm gonna do a little reveal for you guys. If you want to open your books and see what's inside, they might be a little hard to open.
I had seen the dice yesterday, so I was kind of prepared to just like pretend to be surprised. But
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, so that's your character.
So.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this special behind-the-scenes look at Between Two Turns, The Secret Stacks. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
This has gotta be the most boring thing I've filmed yet.